Best way to get dice, Monopoly Go. Hey there! Want to dominate Monopoly Go? Today I've got the ultimate guide on the best way to get dice in Monopoly Go, so you can keep rolling, collect rewards and crush the competition. Stick around for the best tips and tricks to maximise your dice and become a Monopoly Go master. First up, understand the importance of dice in Monopoly Go. So let's talk about why dice are so crucial in Monopoly Go. In this game, dice are your primary resource. Without them, you can't move around the board, earn rewards or advance through levels. Every roll allows you to explore the board, land on tiles, collect money and build properties, all of which are essential for progressing in the game. The more dice you have, the more moves you can make, which opens up endless opportunities to unlock new features, earn bigger bonuses and expand your properties. But it's not just about movement. Dice also give you the ability to strategize. For instance, having a healthy dice reserve means you can focus on specific goals, like collecting a full property set or reaching a bonus tile. Running out of dice can halt your progress, which is why a steady supply is key to staying ahead of the game. Knowing how to manage and maximize your dice means you're not only playing more, but also playing smarter. By truly understanding the importance of dice, you can change the way you approach the game. With more dice at your disposal, you'll have greater control over the board, boosting your chances of success. So prioritize gathering dice as a core part of your Monopoly Go strategy. Next up, claim your free dice daily. So let's dive into one of the easiest ways to keep your dice count up. Claiming your free dice daily. Monopoly Go offers daily rewards, and among these rewards are free dice rolls that can seriously boost your gameplay. By logging into the game every day, you're ensuring that your dice supply stays topped up without spending any real money. These daily rewards are an effortless way to build up your dice count over time. To make the most of this, consider setting a reminder on your phone or calendar to log in each day. It only takes a few seconds and you're essentially getting free rolls just for showing up. Plus, Monopoly Go often includes bonus days with extra large rewards, so keeping track of these can help you maximize the benefits. For instance, some days might include double or even triple rewards, which can significantly boost your dice stash with minimal effort on your part. Remember, these free daily dice are an important part of maintaining a steady flow in the game. By consistently claiming them, you can make sure that you always have a few rolls available to keep moving forward. So don't skip your daily logins. They're the easiest and quickest way to secure dice and keep your Monopoly Go game going strong. Next up, connect with friends for dice exchanges. One of the smartest and most enjoyable strategies for getting more dice in Monopoly Go is connecting with friends who also play the game. The social aspect of Monopoly Go allows you to send and receive dice from friends, giving both of you extra rolls at no cost. It's a win-win. If you have a big group of friends playing Monopoly Go, you can exchange dice regularly, ensuring a steady stream of rolls to keep you advancing. The more friends you have playing, the more dice you can potentially collect through these exchanges. But even if your real-life friends aren't into the game, don't worry. You can easily add Monopoly Go friends online. Many players join groups or forums specifically dedicated to exchanging dice and helping each other out. These groups can be found on social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit, or even Discord. By joining a community of fellow players, you can coordinate dice exchanges and maximize your daily rolls. This approach not only boosts your dice count, but also adds a layer of social interaction to the game. You'll be building a network of fellow Monopoly Go enthusiasts, sharing strategies and maybe even making new friends along the way. So don't hesitate to connect and start exchanging dice. It's a simple way to keep your game rolling while also adding a fun collaborative element to your Monopoly Go experience. Next tip, watch ads for extra dice. Another easy way to increase your dice supply in Monopoly Go is by watching ads. Although ads can sometimes feel like a nuisance, they actually serve as a valuable resource in the game. Typically, when you're running low on dice, dice, the game will prompt you with an option to watch a short advertisement in exchange for a few extra rolls. These ads are usually brief, lasting around 15 to 30 seconds, and can provide a quick boost to keep your game moving. One of the biggest advantages of this method is that it's entirely free. You don't have to spend any real money or in-game currency, just a bit of your time. You can watch these ads at any time of the day, making it a flexible way to gather dice without much effort. Whether you're on a break at work, waiting in line, or just relaxing at home, you can watch a couple of ads and easily score a few extra rolls. Additionally, watching ads can be a great way to extend your playtime, especially if you're just a few dice short of reaching a goal or completing a task. The next time you find yourself low on dice, take a moment to watch an ad or two. It's a small investment of time that can have a big payoff in the game, helping you stay engaged and keep your Monopoly Go journey rolling forward without any interruptions. Next up, complete in-game missions and tasks. Monopoly Go is filled with various missions and tasks designed to keep the gameplay engaging, and they often come with dice rewards. These tasks range from straightforward goals like building properties to more specific challenges, such as landing on certain tiles or achieving specific milestones. Each completed mission adds to your dice count, making this a fantastic way to gather extra rolls while simultaneously progressing through the game. Every day, new tasks and missions are made available, so it's worth checking in regularly to see what's on offer. Some tasks might be quick and easy, while others may require a bit more strategy or patience. Completing these missions not only provides you with additional dice, but also encourages you to explore different aspects of the game that you might not have otherwise focused on. This means you're not just earning dice, you're also getting a more well-rounded gameplay experience. Furthermore, many of these tasks are repeatable, so you can return to them as often as they refresh. The daily missions can vary in terms of difficulty and rewards, so you might find that some days are more profitable than others. By keeping an eye on these tasks and making them a part of your daily strategy, you can maintain a steady supply of dice while enjoying all the game has to offer. In short, focusing on in-game missions is a win-win. You're making progress and earning dice to keep the fun going. Next up, participate in events for bonus dice. Monopoly Go frequently hosts special events that can be a treasure trove of bonus dice and other rewards. These events vary and might include limited time challenges, themed boards, or competitive tournaments, all designed to keep the gameplay fresh and exciting. Participating in these events gives you an opportunity to gather extra dice quickly, often in larger quantities than you would through daily tasks alone. Typically, these events are structured around specific objectives, such as collecting a certain number of properties, landing on designated tiles, or achieving a high score within a time limit. By completing these event-specific tasks, you not only accumulate dice, but also earn additional rewards that can give you a competitive edge in the game. Plus, many events feature leaderboards where you can compete against other players. Climbing up the ranks not only boosts your dice count, but also grants you bragging rights and is a sense of accomplishment. It's a good idea to check in regularly to see if any new events are running, as they often change or rotate. Some events may last just a few days, while others might span a week or more. By staying active and participating, you can take full advantage of these limited time opportunities. Events are one of the best ways to supercharge your dice collection while enjoying unique challenges, so don't miss out. Dive into each event as it comes along and watch your dice count and your skills soar to new heights. Next up, use dice wisely to maximize efficiency. It's not just about having dice, it's about using them wisely. Try to strategize each roll by considering your position on the board and your current goals. Are you aiming to collect a certain property? Do you want to avoid landing on an opponent's hotel? By planning your moves carefully, you'll get the most out of each dice roll. Efficiency is key in Monopoly Go, so avoid wasting rolls on unnecessary moves. With a bit of planning, you can stretch your dice further and ensure that each roll brings you closer to achieving your goals. Next up, join online communities for extra tips and tricks. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of online communities. Platforms like Reddit, Facebook, and gaming forums have active groups of Monopoly Go players that share tricks and tips and strategies for getting more dice. You'll often find discussions on new events, ways to earn dice, and advice from experienced players. By joining joining these communities, you're tapping into a wealth of knowledge that can help you stay ahead in the game. You might even discover new methods for getting dice that you hadn't considered before. So dive into these communities, learn from others, and keep your dice count high. And there you have it, 8 powerful strategies for the best way to get dice in Monopoly Go. Start using these tips today and watch your dice count soar. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more Monopoly Go tips. Keep rolling and good luck!